What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. I'm in a good mood like always. I'm here to motivate you to make beats, so make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you learn the most out of this video. I will keep saying it. Anyways, thank you. We got 10k. What was it in 1 week? We had 1,000 subscribers extra, so this is mind-blowing to me. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you a lot. I read every single comment. I appreciate every single comment, so thank you for that. I got a giveaway comment, so make sure to check out the link in the description. It should be up when I upload this video. This video finna be full of sauce, I'm telling you. I found something out. Shout out to Gami for showing me this. I was just mind-blowing. I'm gonna just dive right into the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? So I've got this cassette loaded up. Before we begin, I'm gonna show y'all the sauce right away. Right here, this icon right here, when you right click, you got different options. Bro, I've been using FL City for 4 or 5 years right now, and I didn't know. I never thought about, oh, let me right click this button. So for example, right here, I've got the Phrygian scale loaded up. It turns my keyboard in a piano. So it does not matter what notes you hit, it will sound in scale. Every note is in scale. So I think I got already a little melody in my head. And what you can do right now is add extra chords in there. Make sure you highlight this right here. That will add notes to your MIDI instead of replacing it. Right now it's just a matter of adding another VST, layering, adding some counter melodies and stuff. Just mess around with this MIDI, because right now we got a big ass MIDI right here. We can take these chords, put it onto another VST, blend it all together with some effects, and then we're going to add the drums. So let's get it. Right here with the Valhalla vintage Verb, I want to do something unique. I found this out when I just messing around inside of FL City. So what you do is turn everything up, just boost everything right here, and right here turn these two down, and right here these two up as well. Put this on 1980, and then I think it was the room and the delay down as well, and that way you create a reverb going in and then going back. Just listen to it. I want one version with the chorus and without the chorus. That way we create some variation inside of the melody and the beat. Pretty nice. Let me just try and flip it. Let me see how it sounds reversed. I always like to reverse my melodies just to get something different out of it. I get tired of hearing the melody quick, so I don't know if it's just me, but Damn, that is just beautiful. I'm in tears, bro. I'm in tears. That is beautiful. We're creating just vibes. Like, this is more than just beat making, bro. This is vibes and a whole lot of emotion in there. Like, it's crazy to me. I think we need to tweak the drums also a little bit. That way it's not like too aggressive. Oh, stop it, stop it, stop it. Bro. Insane. Like, I love it. We blended the quiet part with the more busier part, like the old drums with the new drums, the reverse melody, and I think the beat turned out way better than before. It's sounding really unique as well. I don't know who I hear on this beat. Maybe like Lil Tecca or something, like, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. I'm active on social media as well as Beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys.